Setting the engine to top dead centre firing number 1 can be achieved by first rotating the crank until the cam gear timing hole aligns. A pin can be inserted here to ensure alignment, but it's purposely not a tight fit to allow installation of the gear with the pin installed. The C4.4 crankshaft locking pin is fitted through the side of the block into the crankshaft web. Access is gained by removing the blanking bolt. The timing pin should be inserted as shown. Turn the crank until the pin drops in the slot and ensure the pin is fully located by trying to turn the crank by hand. The C4.4 crankshaft is locked using a pin through the front of the housing, the same method as the Tier 2 3054 engine.